Gardening is a wonderful and peaceful activity that offers numerous benefits for seniors, providing not only a sense of accomplishment, but also a therapeutic escape into nature. Engaging in gardening can enhance mental well-being, reduce stress, and promote physical activity, which is crucial for maintaining health as we age. However, seniors often face unique challenges in this rewarding hobby. Physical strain from bending, lifting, and prolonged standing can lead to discomfort or injury, while the costs associated with gardening supplies and tools can be a burden on fixed incomes. These obstacles can discourage many seniors from fully enjoying the benefits of gardening. To help overcome these challenges, we will share 15 free and effective gardening hacks tailored specifically for seniors. These tips aim to make gardening more accessible and enjoyable, allowing seniors to cultivate their green thumbs without the usual hurdles. From innovative techniques that reduce physical strain to cost-effective solutions that minimize expenses, these hacks will empower seniors to embrace gardening as a fulfilling and enriching activity. So, let's explore these practical strategies that can transform the gardening experience for seniors, making it easier and more enjoyable than ever before. Transforming an old cake stand into a charming bird feeder is a delightful way to repurpose kitchen items that may no longer be in use. Instead of letting that unused cake stand gather dust, consider giving it a new life in your garden. To set up your cake stand as a bird feeder, start by cleaning it thoroughly to remove any residue. Next, choose a suitable location in your garden that offers some shelter and visibility, ensuring it's away from potential predators. Misplaced gardening tools can be a common frustration for many gardeners, leading to wasted time and effort searching for that elusive trowel or pruner. To tackle this issue, consider creating a handy tool holder using a terracotta pot, which is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Start by selecting a medium-sized terracotta pot and ensure it's clean and dry. If you are struggling with kneeling or back pain while gardening, a heavy-duty garden kneeler and seat is a total game-changer. It comes with extra thick padding, sturdy handles, and side pouches to keep your tools handy. Perfect for seniors or anyone needing extra support. Click the link in the description below this video to learn more or buy. As an Amazon associate, we earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Gardening can be a rewarding activity, but for many, the physical strain of bending down to tend to plants can be a significant challenge. An innovative solution to this issue is to repurpose an old trash can as a raised planter, allowing you to enjoy gardening without the discomfort. To prepare the trash can for planting, start by cleaning it thoroughly to remove any residues. Next, drill several drainage holes in the bottom to ensure excess water can escape, preventing root rot. Plant propagation is a rewarding and cost-effective way to expand your garden without spending money on new plants. This process involves taking cuttings or divisions from existing plants and encouraging them to grow roots, allowing you to create new plants from what you already have. The benefits of propagation are numerous. Not only does it save money, but it also allows you to share plants with friends and family, or fill your garden with beloved varieties. Unexpected frosts can pose a significant challenge for gardeners, often threatening the delicate seedlings that have just begun to thrive. Protecting these young plants from sudden drops in temperature is crucial for their survival and growth. Traditional plant saucers often lack the charm and character that can enhance your indoor or outdoor gardening space. Many are made from plain plastic, which can detract from the beauty of your potted plants. A creative solution is to repurpose old ceramic plates as stylish alternatives to conventional saucers. Not only do these plates serve the practical purpose of catching excess water from your potted plants, but they also add a unique touch to your decor. Pollinators play a crucial role in gardening, as they are responsible for the fertilization of many plants, leading to the production of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Supporting these essential creatures is vital for a thriving garden ecosystem. Sourcing gardening materials from local communities offers numerous benefits, including cost savings and fostering connections with fellow gardening enthusiasts. By tapping into community resources, You can find a variety of free supplies that can enhance your gardening experience while promoting sustainability. Weather can take a toll on garden decorations, causing colors to fade and materials to deteriorate over time. Instead of discarding these worn items, consider revitalizing them with leftover paint, giving your garden a fresh and vibrant look. Beneficial insects play a vital role in gardening, acting as natural pest controllers and pollinators that help maintain a healthy ecosystem. By attracting these helpful bugs, you can reduce the need for chemical pesticides and promote a balanced garden environment. Eggshells are a fantastic resource for gardeners, offering both nutritional benefits for plants and serving as an effective seed starter and pest control method. Rich in calcium, eggshells help strengthen plant cell walls and promote healthy growth, making them an excellent addition to your gardening routine. Using leftover cooking water to nourish plants is an excellent way to recycle kitchen waste while providing essential nutrients to your garden. Cooking water, especially from vegetables, contains valuable minerals and vitamins that can benefit plant growth. Weeding can be one of the most challenging and time-consuming tasks in gardening, often requiring constant attention to keep unwanted plants at bay. However, an effective and eco-friendly solution to this problem is to use old newspapers to prevent weed growth. Newspapers act as a natural barrier, blocking sunlight and inhibiting weed germination, while allowing moisture and nutrients to reach your plants. Consistent watering is crucial for the health and growth of plants, as fluctuations in moisture levels can lead to stress and hinder their development. In this video, we explored several key gardening hacks that can enhance your gardening experience while promoting creativity and resourcefulness. From transforming old cake stands into bird feeders to utilizing eggshells as seed starters and pest control, these innovative ideas demonstrate how everyday items can be repurposed to benefit your garden. We also discussed the importance of using leftover cooking water to nourish plants and how to create a self-watering system using plastic bottles, ensuring your plants receive consistent moisture. Each of these hacks not only helps you save money, but also encourages sustainable practices that contribute to a healthier environment. We invite you to try out these hacks in your own gardening endeavors and share your experiences with us. Your feedback and stories can inspire others in the gardening community, fostering a sense of connection and support. While these gardening hacks help nourish your plants, it's equally important to protect your peace of mind. The people around us can have a powerful impact on our emotional health, especially as we age. In our next video, we reveal the 5 types of people seniors should avoid to maintain emotional balance and mental clarity. Click the small image on the screen to watch it now. See you there.